Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get your Instagram threads easy and quick. First, all you have to do, just open Instagram, and now just go to your account and then click on your profile here, and then click this three lines in the top corner. Now once you see this, click threads, and that's it. After that, just click here. Now click login with Instagram, and that's it. After that, just click import from Instagram if you want to do the same bio and link that you have in your Instagram, and then click continue, and you can select if you want your profile to be private or public. Let's say private, and then click continue, and now just join threads, and that's it. And that's how to do it. It's easy. All you have to do now, just go back and you will find that your threads account has been created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.